How you answer a Social Security judge's questions about taking your kids to school can destroy your Social Security disability claim. Congratulations, your big day is finally here. You get to appear in front of the Social Security judge, and I assure you that judge is going to ask you lots of questions. And hopefully you've been well prepared by your attorney who's gone over with you the questions that are going to be asked, the way to truthfully tell your story about your symptoms and functionality in a way that the judge will understand. If not, good luck. I'm going to make some suggestions about how you should answer a Social Security judge's questions. This isn't legal advice because I don't represent you, but I want you to understand that judges like to ask questions about things like house cleaning, cooking, taking the kids to school, and yard work. Guaranteed you're going to get those questions. Your answers can make or break your claim. So if the judge says, do you take your kids to school? And you say yes, and don't explain anymore, that's going to be a problem because the judge is going to be making some assumptions about what it is you're actually doing. The judge is ultimately trying to determine whether or not you're credible, you're believable, whether you're exaggerating what you can do and you can't do. And they're looking for consistency between what's in your records, the forms you filled out, what your doctor may have to say on a residual functional capacity form, and of course your testimony. Now that's particularly true if you take the kids to and from school. So let's say you have back problems and your records indicate that you can sit for an hour, but you have to alternate sitting and standing. Your pain impacts your ability to function, and you do have medication side effects that impact your ability to drive. So the judge says, okay, you take your kids to and from school every day, and you say yes. Well, that means you keep a schedule, you drive to school, you wait in line, and maybe you even run errands on the way to or from picking up the kids from school. And you do that every school day, twice a day, rain or shine, in pain or no pain. The judge is going to think that, you may just want to stay at home and collect your Social Security disability benefits. Or alternatively, you could work as a driver or a small parts deliverer person. They're going to make that leap from taking your kids to school to being able to work. And that means you lose. So how should you be answering these questions? You should be specific about whether you have to set an alarm to get up, whether you don't take a pain pill until you come home, whether you have friends, families, or others involved in taking or picking up the kids, whether you use a carpool, whether an older sibling might take the other kids to school, what problems you have driving to and from, whether you've been late or missed picking up your kids because of pain, whether there are times your kids have to catch a ride or even walk home. You want to explain clearly and exactly what it is you're doing and you can't do. The price you pay for taking your kids to and from school. I don't want you to give the judge a reason to question your credibility and deny your claim. If you have any questions about your rights to Social Security disability benefits, call me at 727-894-3188 for a complimentary consultation.